Yo, what's up YouTube? I want to make a video because I'm in a pretty interesting trade right now on my funded 50k account. For just proof, you can pause it. I don't want to take too much time of the video. Basically, it's this account. You can check the numbers. Here I was still up $400. I'm now up 500, but yeah, this name changes if I refresh. And I'm also in it with the ftmo account. You'll see the balance here change. It's a funded account on ftmo as well. Reward available in. Just pause if you need to, just to check and clarify whatever if you need proof, but I just wanted to put it out there for transparency reasons. But the most important thing is just explaining the trade, right? So if you like this sort of content, leaving a like, sub, and comment is very much appreciated. I also have a Discord and I want to do some free coaching. So without that out of the way, let's go over the trade, right? Um, it's a USDCHF short. Ever since I sort of saw this huge bearish move, I've been bearish on it. I just drew up the Fibonacci retracement, and it so happens to also, oh, sorry. It happens to line up perfectly as well, but I didn't check it for this trade specifically. If you can see here, it just sort of, yeah, perfectly on this sort of resistance on the 0.6. It bounced off, but that's just a sort of extra bonus. But yeah, I drew up this area. As you can see, this area, this one, the blue one, is pretty strong. A lot of touches where it's sort of rejected from. A lot of times when it's above and it touches, it goes up straight away. Here again, goes up, again goes up. So as soon as it goes under, most likely what will happen, it goes down. So from support whenever it's up, it goes to resistance whenever it's under. So here it went down, it broke through, bounced off as a support again, bounced off as support again, and then it broke through again. So what will happen most likely when it sort of tests it? It's not 100% sure, of course, but it's just a probability game, right? Trading. So it did test it again here, and it went down. Like it literally tested perfectly and it went down. So I've been looking for shorts like this whole sort of period, as you can see. So I was sort of I never changed sort of my bias. I've been trading shorts, overall net positive, but I did had one annoying loss where I held it through the night and crazy spread just stopped me out. It was just frustrating, but yeah, that happens, part of trading. So yeah, now I am in a short again, and I'm in it because I saw this doji candle and I entered pretty early, as you can see. And I first went in a little bit of drawdown, but it ends up going in my way at the moment. I lowered my stop loss, so I secure profits when it reaches this area, because if it reaches that area, the trade doesn't really make sense to me anymore. This was pretty strong structure it created. Like as you can see here, it bounced off again. Like it was struggling for like half an hour or something, and then it broke under finally, retesting it and going down again. So it's confirmed here basically that it's strong structure. So if it would go up, go above it, the trade will most likely continue to go up, right? So yeah, just fairly simple, what is it called, like structure-based trade. I was just looking, if you just look at this sort of chart, right? If you look at the 30 minutes or whatever, which direction is most likely to happen? In my opinion, it's most likely to go down because it's just the overall trend is bearish, right? As you can see here, it's just going bearish. If you add confluences like the EMA or like this area of interest that it tested perfectly, you have a pretty strong chance that it will actually go your way, right? Like I used to be, what I also explained in a previous video that I'm uploading soon. Like if you're looking for like sort of the perfect entry, that you're like the guy that will be the one that predicts the perfect trend reversal. I don't know, like you can try it. I tried it a lot of times. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But if you want sort of consistency in trading, I would recommend just trading with a trend. It's a lot simpler, a lot less stressful. You can enter, you don't have to be perfect in your entry. Like here, I wasn't necessarily perfect on my entry. There was just like a nice little sort of, here you see it just retracing towards the 50 EMA. And you see sort of rejection candles. This one was a huge sort of bullish one, so that was a little bit concerning. But then we had this bearish one engulfing these, so that was good. Then we had sort of a small retracement and another engulfing. So we had like two bearish engulfing candlesticks, bullish one trying to engulf but failing, and then another form of a doji candlestick here. So I was pretty confident that the trade would go down. It did, however, test the EMA one more time, and then it continued to go down. So that's just basically how I read the markets. I'm trying something new where I'm trying to keep the videos short and simple. So I think I'm gonna end it here. We're up $600 now. This is the, oh, it's going fast the other way around, so 550. But yeah, I'm debating if I should close now because it's at a round psychological number, like a big one, like 8000000. So I might close it here and secure a nice little payout of $580 instead of the 1K I could potentially make, because there's also news coming, so I'm not 100% sure. But I think I will lower my sort of stop loss to, yeah, I don't know, securing like 450 or something. But I don't want to put it in the video. I don't know, the video will take too long. I don't know how long this trade will last. So anyway, if you like this sort of content, leaving a like, leaving a sub and a comment is very much appreciated. It keeps me motivated to make these. And I'm also almost at 100 subscribers at the time of recording. So if you like, if you like this, subscribing is very much appreciated. Thanks so much, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. And I wish you the best in your own trading journey.